Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of a air compressor. I'm going to use it specifically to drain the air, blow out the air out of my sprinklers. I'll be using this new tool I bought, so I'm going to be unboxing it, and at the same time I'm going to be showing you guys how it performs in real time. So here's the tool. Let's see if I can flip this camera around. Basically, it's the Dewalt, the heavy-duty 15-gallon 200 max PSI, model number D55168. So only thing I don't like at the moment is that I paid about $430 for this air compressor. Might be more than what I needed, but I like quality tools. But the tires do not come installed. Look at this. I gotta now take time to work with this heavy piece of equipment and try to figure out how to put this on and then be able to use it. It's a little frustrating considering I paid a lot of money for it. It doesn't take probably too much time to get this, attached onto the base of this thing because it's really heavy. So, next video, I want to consolidate these. I'll show you how. Hey guys, so I powered it up, and here it is running. Not that loud unless you can't hear me, but so far so good. Here it is working in action, draining out the sprinklers. You can hear it in the background. It's running. Seems to be doing its work. Maybe it's too strong, but I won't know now till next year. Do I messed up any of the connections? The good sign is that I'm not blowing the heads off the sprinklers off.